Excitech is an enterprise specializing in researching, developing, manufacturing, and production software development and application of automated woodworking CNC machinery. Headquartered in Jinan National High-Tech Development Zone, we will set up one 97,000 square meter South China production base in Guangdong by the end of 2021. As a national high-tech enterprise, Excitech focuses on building smart factories in the furniture industry. Our products cover panel furniture production line, CNC nesting machine, CNC panel saw, automatic edgebanding machine, CNC drilling machine, and other machinery, which are widely applied in panel furniture, custom cabinet and wardrobes, five-axis 3D processing, and solid wood furniture, etc. Excitech has realized intelligent production as a major trend in traditional furniture manufacturing 5 years ago. Since then, they have begun to deploy and practice customized furniture production with intelligence and informatization as a pioneer to implement smart factory in the industry in China. This CNC drilling cell only needs a robot to perform loading and unloading operations. Hence, a worker can perform inspections and take care of 3 to 10 equipment at the same time. In addition, it has a high-precision digital control and can run 24 hours a day in multi-shift production. Labor costs is greatly lowered, while productivity and quality are enhanced. In overall, the return on investment of line equipment and plant can be much improved. Our flexible CNC drilling cell can be connected with other CNC drilling cells and edgebanding cells through central control system, PLC control, and transmission equipment, successfully avoiding landing in automatic panel production. Such practice not only enables ordinary workers to replace technical ones, but also greatly reduces the number of labor on site. At present, Excitech CNC Smart Factory has completed the entire line from raw material storage to nesting, edgebanding, drilling, sorting, and packaging without landing production. It has been successfully adopted in many places in China and abroad. Our nesting machines, edgebanding machines, and six-sided drilling machines achieve high efficiency, high precision, and high standard production. They can definitely increase production capacity for enterprises, improve product quality and factory image, while reducing error rates and worker damage panel rates. Excitech is currently one of the few manufacturers in the world that can carry out the professional planning of the whole factory of smart factories, while offering relevant, complete sets of software and hardware. We strive to make our clients' production smarter, faster, and more cost-effective with minimum labor required. Excitech CNC quality system standard positioning is in parallel with Europe and America. Our products are equipped with international top-class brand parts as standard. We are one of the few domestic manufacturers that use CNC machine center to process all mechanical parts. At the same time, we also adopt advanced processing and assembly technology to provide stable and reliable equipment for long-term industrial use. We have a 24-hour after-sale service center at the headquarters. In addition, our service branches cover more than 100 countries and regions around the world. Convenient and efficient after-sale support can be provided with integrated platforms for customers around the world, around the clock.